Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia. Today I'm going to be showing you how I preserve and store my stews and my soup for long-lasting taste, retention of flavor, texture, color, you just name it. I'm going to be using these kitchen utensils. So I've got this dip spoon, which I'm going to use to scoop out the soup or stews. Then I've got these easy seal foods and freezer bags. I got it from B&M. They are very useful to me. Then I've got this food storage containers that I'm going to use in case I've got any leftover soup or stews. This is what the sealable bag looks like. I think I got the large or extra large. I'm not sure, but definitely they are smaller sizes. And these are my containers. So I've got the large, the medium, and the small one. I usually open the bag in a bowl to avoid any spillage because it can be messy sometimes. And of course, I've got a massive tissue roll for that, so I can always tackle the mess. So one of the benefits of storing your soup or your stew in this bag is that it doesn't really take up so much space in your freezer. So that's why I'm thinking of going to get the small or the medium size. Like you won't even know you've got something there because when it's frozen, I think it shrinks up and it helps it to retain that flavor. So another reason I store my stew is to retain this beautiful color you can see here. So this is one bag out of my pot of stew. I intend to make a second bag, then the rest will be for leftover. Okay, yeah, I'm ready to make a second bag of stew. I've just lined up the resealable bag, and this is my first bag of stew. You never can tell, this bag might break or spill. That's why I always double them before I add them in the freezer. As you can see, I've got double bag here. So 2 bags of resealable freezer bags of stew. I'm going to allow them cool off first before I put them in the freezer. So this is what I've got left in my pot, and I'm thinking of adding some grilled meats into this pot now. So I've just added the remaining stew in this bowl. It's Friday night now, it's about 10 p.m. and I believe we are not having rice again tonight. I know this is going to take us for tomorrow, and I intend to bring another one of the bags out on Sunday before going to church. So doing this, I'm retaining the the taste, the flavor, and the appearance. So now it's time to bag in some ogbono soup. For those of you that don't know, this is ogbono soup with vegetables, that's ugu leaves and okra. Okay, that's how much I got. I'm going to leave it on the surface to cool off before I put it in the freezer. And that's how much I've got left in my pot, and I'm going to put it in a container now. Okay, that's it for today. So anyway, this is how I store and preserve my stews and my soup. I like to do them because it helps me, preserve the taste, the flavor, and the appearance of my soup and stews. So imagine if I've left this in the fridge. So we can just go there and take and take. Before 2 days, it will lose its color, it will lose its taste and everything. We don't want that. So if you find this method interesting, you can go for it, especially if you've got kids that can fix themselves food. You don't want them going there and just, dipping that spoon there every now and then. Before you know, it will look so soggy and you wouldn't like the appearance. So it is very good when they are ready to eat. You just bring a bag out of the freezer and the whole family will finish that bag. Thank you for watching today. Subscribe. Bye.